And here's a quick little earth magnet project I did on my workbench. Use my square on top of the workbench. When I'm done, don't even have to look down, just reach under, attach it right to there. I'll show you how I put that earth magnet in there. What I've done is I've taken my Forstner bit and I've made this hole. Just got to go down a little bit more, just to get this earth magnet a little bit below this, just right about at the surface. And now I'm going to take this epoxy that I've mixed. And I'm going to put it in the hole. Now that I think about it, I could put a screw in there too, which would hold it in place. That screw in there because that'll hold this earth magnet in there also. Won't even need glue. I mean masking tape, which I was going to put over it. All right, and that's going to be it.